You have invested in crypto. You've seen some gains. You've made some trades. You've even dabbled in staking or maybe earned some rewards. And now, the tax deadline is looming, and a cold sweat breaks out. Sound familiar? It's a scenario that plays out for countless crypto investors every single year. You're not alone. The world of crypto is exciting, innovative, and fast-paced. But the world of crypto taxes? That can feel like a whole different planet. One filled with confusing forms, complex calculations, and the constant fear of getting it wrong. The rules are always changing, the terminology is a nightmare, and the thought of trying to track every single trade you've ever made across multiple platforms is enough to make you want to go back to just holding a savings account. The problem is, the IRS and tax authorities around the world are getting a lot smarter. They are actively watching, and they're not going to just ignore your crypto activity. They see digital assets as property, and when you sell, trade, or dispose of that property, it's a taxable event. That means you have to report it. Every single transaction. Every single transaction. But what if there was a way to make it easy? What if you could take all that stress, all that confusion, and all that manual work and just make it disappear? What if you could turn the annual tax headache into a simple, straightforward process? That's where Gemini comes in. Gemini is more than just a place to buy and sell crypto. It's a platform designed to empower you throughout your entire crypto journey, and that includes tackling the one thing most people dread the most, taxes. So, let's break down how Gemini makes crypto taxes easy. We're going to walk through the entire process, from understanding what's taxable, to using Gemini's tools and integrations, to finally generating the reports you need to file with confidence. First, let's get a handle on the basics. What exactly is a taxable event in crypto? This is the most crucial part of the puzzle. It's not just about selling your Bitcoin for cash. Here's a quick rundown of the most common taxable events. Selling crypto for fiat currency, this is the most obvious one. When you sell Bitcoin for USD, you have a capital gain or loss. Trading one crypto for another, this is a big one that a lot of people miss. Swapping Ethereum for Cardano, for example, is considered a taxable event. You're disposing of one asset to acquire another. Spending crypto on goods or services, using crypto to buy a coffee, a car, or even an NFT. That's a taxable event. You're disposing of the crypto, and you have to report any gain or loss from the original purchase price. Receiving crypto as income, this could be from staking rewards, mining, or being paid in crypto for a job or service. This is generally taxed as ordinary income. Now, on the flip side, there are also non-taxable events. Buying crypto with fiat currency, simply buying Bitcoin with cash, is not a taxable event. The tax obligation comes later when you sell or trade it. Holding crypto, just hodling? No taxes on your unrealized gains. The tax man only comes knocking when you realize that gain. Transferring crypto between your own wallets, moving your crypto from your Gemini account to your personal wallet, is not a taxable event. The key takeaway here is that every time you dispose of a digital asset for a profit, whether it's for cash, another crypto, or a physical item, you have a capital gain. If it's a loss, you have a capital loss, which can be used to offset gains. And if you're receiving crypto as payment or a reward, it's income. You need to keep a meticulous record of all of it: the type of asset, the date and time of the transaction, the number of units, and the fair market value in USD at the time of the transaction. Sounds like a nightmare, right? This is where the magic of Gemini's tools comes in. Gemini has made it incredibly easy to gather all this information. Within your account, you can access the Statements and History section. From there, you can download a complete and comprehensive transaction history. This is a critical first step. This document contains all the raw data you need, including every single trade, every deposit, every withdrawal, and any rewards you've earned on the platform. It's a goldmine of information that would be incredibly time-consuming to piece together manually. But a spreadsheet full of numbers isn't the final answer. You still need to calculate gains and losses, apply the correct cost basis method, like FIFO or LIFO, and generate the specific forms you need for your tax return, such as Form 8949 and Schedule D. This is where Gemini's powerful integrations come into play. Gemini understands that you don't want to be a crypto accountant. So, they've partnered with leading crypto tax software providers like CoinLedger, Coinly, and CoinTracker. These platforms are specifically designed to take all the complex data from your Gemini account and do the hard work for you. Let's walk through how this works. It's a seamless process that takes just a few minutes. First, you'll need to create an account with one of these crypto tax software providers. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to connect your exchanges. You'll select Gemini from the list. The most efficient way to connect is through an API. Gemini has a simple, secure process for this. You go into your Gemini account settings, navigate to the API section, and create a new API key. You must set the permissions to auditor. This is a crucial step for security, as it gives the tax software read-only access to your transaction data. They can see your trades and history, but they cannot make any transactions on your behalf. Once you generate the API key and secret, you simply copy and paste them into your chosen tax software. With a click of a button, the tax software goes to work. It pulls in your entire transaction history from Gemini, including all your trades, deposits, withdrawals, and any income from things like Gemini Earn. It's an automated process that eliminates the need for manual data entry and drastically reduces the chance of human error. But what if you've traded on other exchanges or used other wallets? No problem. These tax software platforms are designed to be a one-stop shop. You can connect all your other crypto accounts, from different exchanges to self-custody wallets, and the software will consolidate all your data into one unified view. This is essential, because to accurately calculate your taxes, you need a complete picture of all your crypto activity. Once all your data is imported, the software gets to work on the calculations. It automatically identifies all your taxable events, calculates your gains and losses, and applies the cost basis method you've selected. You can even experiment with different cost basis methods to see which one might result in a lower tax bill. It's like having a team of tax professionals crunching the numbers for you in seconds. The final step is the most rewarding. The software generates all the necessary tax documents for you. This includes a filled-out Form 8949, a detailed capital gains and losses report, and a summary of your crypto income. These are professional-grade documents that you can simply download and hand over to your accountant, or even use to file your taxes yourself with services like TurboTax. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.